Thank you, master. I mean. Oh my frick.
They are getting in. They are getting in. Advantage. Well, I don't know. Of this situation.
Welcome to the vlogging panel. Congratulations for being able to read a schedule and being here. It's a wonderful time. It was a wonderful.
Bad news is, it's very windy. There's a lot of people. A lot more people than usually. I don't know what to say. What do you want to say? Alright? What do you want to say? You always have something to say, girl.
Hello? My name is Jonas. How are you? YouTube.com/JonasGranston. Really exciting, right? Hello? I hope you enjoy. No, wait a second. Wait a second. I still have something to say. Okay, done.
Thank you. What's up? We're still vlogging again and again, like we did all day. Not that funny, but the panels are okay.
If I were 18, I would still be part of that community. That's fucking beautiful, and I want to say thank you very much.
What you're doing, stop it.
Hello everyone, so I'm on the phone to my mum, can you say hello? Is that alright mum, I'll be home later. Okay, bye.
My dad's watching on the live stream, can you say hello to him? Hi Dad!
Bonjour, France. I'm Tom. Good work being French. Eiffel Tower.